When I first saw the MOKWHEEL Slate, I was immediately attracted to this bike because it has a lot of powerful features at a very affordable price. After spending some time with it, I can say that the Slate absolutely delivers, but it's probably not exactly the portable folding bike that some might expect. Out of the box, the MOKWHEEL needs some assembly before you can start riding. It took me about an hour for the whole process, which is totally acceptable. The Slate looks sleek and rugged. All parts like the folding joints and latches are well built. And I like the solid frame. It doesn't have the flimsy feel found on some cheaper e-bikes. It is really heavy at around 67 pounds. However, I'm very disappointed with the folding mechanism of this bike. While the folding mechanism itself is straightforward, actually handling the bike is a different story. I fold down the handlebar first, then open the latch to fold the bike in half. In the meantime, I need to turn the front wheel so that the handlebar doesn't sit between the two wheels. I also have to deal with the pedals, which are always there to block the way. In the end, we have a bulky folded bike that sometimes can't stand on its own. Lifting or carrying the Slate is not easy, especially when I need to take it to my car. The weight and bulk make it hard to lift up. That said, once it's folded, it is actually quite compact. Even though my car trunk is quite small, the bike still fits inside without issue. The folding part is probably the only disadvantage of the Slate. I like the natural riding position with a slightly upright posture that makes long rides easy on the back and shoulders. The seat is decently padded, and when combined with the front suspension and the fat tires, the overall riding experience is enjoyable even on longer trips. The fat tires absorb a lot of the shock from uneven surfaces, while the suspension helps smooth out rough patches. I can still feel some bumps on the road, but it's far more comfortable than e-bikes without suspension. The most exciting feature of the Slate is the torque and cadence sensors. They work together to deliver a smoother and more natural riding experience. You can see the difference when starting from a stop or navigating tight spaces. There's no sudden speed boost like you often get with cheap e-bikes. Therefore, the Slate feels safer, smoother, and much easier to handle. There is no jerky or delayed power delivery, as I'm aware of. When it comes to power and speed, the Slate provides a strong boost. I can reach high speeds quickly, and even when climbing hills, I never feel like the bike is struggling. You can twist the throttle to reach the max speed of 20 miles per hour or pedal with assist. In terms of battery life, it has a range of 50 to 60 miles, which is long enough for several rides before needing a recharge. The Slate has an unusual theft protection feature. The display detaches easily, and once you park the bike, you can remove the display to cut off power instantly. That means a thief can't just hop on and ride away easily. Having said that, I still recommend you to use a quality lock to fully protect the bike. Overall, the MOKWHEEL Slate is a powerful, comfortable, and well-built e-bike that offers an excellent riding experience. However, you should be aware that it's not light or easy to carry. If you have no problem carrying that much weight, it won't be an issue. But for anyone looking for a highly portable folding bike, this isn't it. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.